If you've ever wondered how to find your Epic Games email and password, here's the important truth right away. Epic Games does not let you view your current password for security reasons, so if you've forgotten it, the safe way forward is to reset it. And if you're trying to find the email linked to your account, there are a few quick ways to check that too. In this video, I'll walk you through both parts step by step in the easiest way possible. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials like this. First, let's talk about your password. You cannot reveal the password that's currently saved on your Epic account inside Epic Games itself. That is completely locked for security. But if you're already signed into the Epic Games launcher or your browser, you may be able to check a saved password in your browser or password manager. For example, if you use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, open the Saved Password section and search for Epic Games. If the password was stored there, you may be able to view it after confirming your device password or biometrics. If nothing is saved, then the next step is to reset your Epic Games password from the login page. Just click Forgot Password, enter the email you think is linked to the account, and follow the reset instructions sent to your inbox. Now let's find the email address tied to your Epic Games account. The fastest way is through the Epic Games launcher if you're already logged in. Open the launcher and look at the profile icon in the top corner. Click it, then go to Account. On the account page, Epic often shows the first and last characters of the email address connected to the account, which can help you identify the correct one. If that's not enough, check your email inboxes manually. Search for Epic Games, Epic Verification, or Epic Receipt emails across all the email accounts you use. Look for messages like sign-up confirmations, security alerts, or purchase receipts. Those messages can quickly reveal which email was used to create the account. If you have multiple email addresses, repeat that search in each inbox until you find the one that matches. Another helpful tip is to check saved logins in your browser or device account settings, because sometimes your Epic Games email is stored there even if you don't remember it. And if you still can't find it, try logging into Epic Games with any email addresses you commonly use and use the Forgot Password option to see where the reset link arrives. That can help confirm the correct email address without guessing forever. So to recap, you can't directly see your Epic Games password, but you can check save passwords or reset it, and you can find your Epic Games email through the launcher, your inbox searches, or saved login data. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.